Okay, GTP video instruction manual, installations. Installing a glycol feed package, industrial glycol feed package, only has a few components. One, electrical. Electrical will need, on the industrial units, will need at least a 15 amp dedicated circuit. The third horsepower draws 8 amps running, 15, 16 amps startup. Brief startup. If you're blowing fuses, you don't have enough amperage on there. Do not use extension cords. The next thing you'll do is you'll have to hook up your 1/2 inch discharge to your system. Should be within 10 or 15 feet. Shouldn't have more than 4 or 5 elbows. And do not reduce pipe diameters. The last thing you have to do is secure it to your concrete pad at the base of each leg. We do give a foot pad with a 3/8 hole so you can put in a lag bolt into the concrete pad. Other than that, the system is fully functional and ready to go.